If you think the sun is silent, you're in for a cosmic surprise. Let's dive into the sounds of space. The sun actually makes noise. Yep, you heard that right. It's all about pressure waves. These waves are like sound waves on Earth, but at a massive scale. We're talking wavelengths measured in hundreds of miles. Now, here's the cosmic kicker. These wavelengths are way beyond what our human ears can pick up. Imagine trying to hear a whale song in the middle of a rock concert. It's just not happening. Plus, space is a vacuum. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel through. No air in space means no sound as we know it. So while the sun's making all this ruckus, it's lost in the silent void of space. Stay curious and keep looking up. See you next time.